Kaiti, you're a boomer.
Puppy chow. Puppy chow.
Got a little Christmas action.
Gingerbread cookies.
No, it's the mop.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 22. Right now it's 10 o'clock and we are getting ready to go to church because it's Sunday, obviously, and church service starts at like 11, so we're leaving at 10:30. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're definitely baking. Like, that's just number one. My mom is a really good baker. That's number one on the list. I'll see you guys when we get back from church. Obviously, we're back from church. After church, we ended up running to the grocery store and getting some stuff to bake with and to cook with for like our Christmas meal. We got back at around 1 and the Steelers game started at 1, and if y'all do not know, my family is diehard Steelers fans. We had to like be here on time, and now it's 2 and I've just been kind of down here watching my new Netflix show, Money Heist. It's so good. I'm already on episode 11 and I started it yesterday. But I'm gonna go upstairs, so I'm hungry for lunch, and see if my mom started baking or not. Oh, wow. They wanted to rearrange the couch in the living room so that way we could see the view better. So that's what they're doing over there. And mom is cooking. What you cooking?
Hash brown casseroles. 1, 2. I just gotta add a lot of butter. Now we're making chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, everybody was asking for your recipe in my comments.
Nope, it's a family secret recipe only in here.
So many people were like, you need to share your mom's cookie recipe, and I was like, that's not gonna happen. Comment down below what your favorite fruit is. Mine is blackberries. I have to do the whole thing in one sitting. It's 6:30 now and it's like pitch black out. I was in and out of the kitchen helping my mom bake the cookies, the gingerbread. She made Muddy Buddies, which I don't know if a lot of you guys know what that is, but it's like chocolatey Chex Mix stuff. I think we're gonna go upstairs and eat now. My dad made turkey chili for dinner, so that's gonna be real mood. And I've just been watching my show. I'm already on season 2. Here's the chili, and then this is my mom's cookies, and then she made these gingerbread cookies, which we haven't ever had before.
Who made the chili?
You?
Yes, the chili. So good.
Everyone was commenting on my last vlogmas. They're like, your dad with the hashtags is iconic.
That's right. Hashtag chili maker.
Oh no. And then this is, what is this called again?
Puppy chow.
Puppy chow. Oh, isn't it Muddy Bodies?
No, it's puppy chow.
Okay, well that's what she's making. Selfie.
Selfie cam. Selfie cam.
I should make merch that says quit recording me.
I'm gonna take your phone.
Oh.
Because I want a picture with you. No selfie.
Smile for the camera. Besties for the resties.
Look at Kaiti.
Smile. Stop. I'm gonna post this to Facebook. Why? Kaiti, stop
Picture.
recording me.
Picture.
Like snickerdoodle.
Stop calling them snickerdoodles.
Why are they snickerdoodles?
It's ginger.
I used ginger. Not at all the same thing.
Let me get some of that.
No.
Let me get some of that.
No, dear.
Let me get some of that.
No, dear. No, dear. Yeah.
Is there anything you'd like to say?
What's up, Caitsters? We're up in the mountains. Got a little Christmas action going there. Mom's in the kitchen. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
And then over here is kind of cool because you have the reflection of the Christmas tree.
When will my reflection show?
I don't even know what that song is.
You don't?
Tell us what you got for Christmas for a chance to win some cool giveaways from hashtag Katie's Corner. Cool news coming in January. What? Teaser? Hashtag teaser.
Dad, it's not even Christmas. A giveaway on Vlogmas Day 20, and I'll be announcing the winner tomorrow when I choose it. But you had to follow my Instagram, subscribe to this channel with the post notifications on, subscribe to my main channel with the post notifications on, and then you had to comment on that video, your Instagram username, and what you got somebody else for Christmas.
Give us a shot.
That's it?
That's it? That's all you get? Chase, you're a boomer.
Is it really zoomed in on my face?
Yeah, it's so fuzzy and not attractive.
Thanks.
Hold on.
Have you seen the mop, Dad?
The mop?
Yeah.
No, what's the mop? Oh yeah, I've seen the mop. Chase did a mop on his TikTok. You're a good mopper.
Mopper? Mopper?
Kaiti, you're a boomer.
No, I'm not.
That's what Cam always says to me. Dad, you're a boomer. And he says it just like that. You're a boomer. Okay, boomer.
That was good.
Caitsters, you get an inside look. Look how pretty that is.
It's Christmas Eve.
Where are the pups?
Mellow.
Where's hashtag mellow pup? Mellow yellow pup. Where's Gap?
You gotta sit still. I'm trying to make you famous. Sit.
Good girl. Dude, seriously, quick question.
Yes?
I need to see you when I ask you this, bro. The question is, why don't you like to be filmed?
That's it for today's vlog. Oh, I know it's super short, y'all, but in the mountains, we just kind of chill and relax, do whatever. So that's why it's not very, very long. Hope you guys enjoyed, though. Don't forget to go enter the final giveaway that I will be announcing the winner to tomorrow. You have to comment on Vlogmas Day 20, and that will enter you. I love you guys so much, and literally there are 3 days till Christmas. I don't understand how it's going by so fast. It's Christmas Eve. But thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll hopefully see you in tomorrow's vlog. Peace in the Middle East.